Previously on Onboard Lifestyle, we noticed that on the approach to Mazatlán, our port engine was sounding a bit different. After further inspection, we can see that our engine had come loose from the sail drive.
This sucks.
This sucks! Teal preps the engine for removal. We have a little change of plans. And yeah, we got a little unexpected little hiccup.
And I built these skids so we could slide the engine this way. Okay, wet exhaust is off. We're getting there. I've been prepping this engine, getting ready for the mechanic.
Are you comfortable?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
So we need to remove this plate and look at what's happening.
You seem to slide much happier that time.
Yeah. Clear, 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 clear. There's our first look at it. That does not look good, does it?
With the problem identified, the parts we need were ordered, and that's where we continue our story. This is a big day because we're doing something that we don't usually do, which is sub out. And this is something that I have been wanting for a long time, so that we can extend the life of our dinghy, is having some chaps made. We had chaps made on our last boat and it's just more comfortable. The dew doesn't really hit the chaps, and it just protects it. So as a splurge, we are going to have that subbed out, and the guys are here now and they're going to template it, and they said they can get it done in 5 days. Hopefully at that point we can head on out. We're still waiting for parts for our engine, so let's just get it done. This is so exciting. We're just going to see some friends, dropping off some presents, and I just noticed that our upholsterer guys are heading towards our boat and doing a dry fit. Oh my god, I'm so excited. She is looking so good. This is going to, for sure, extend the life of our dinghy. Literally, this is like a 4-day turnaround. They were here 2 days ago and already they got the bulk of it done. They're doing the final test and then going around all the cutouts. Wow. So, do you think you got everything?
Well,
I'm so excited, by the way.
to have an engine back?
No, it's just get confirmation that the parts were in, and
Yeah, it's quite the process getting a part here, wasn't it?
yeah, a little bit.
Look at this is the little piece we needed.
Oh my god.
A $6 part. It's taken about a week to get.
Hey, at least it's a week. That's all I have to say.
I know. And it was picked up yesterday at the airport.
The parts are here.
Patrick will be here this morning, and we'll muscle this thing back together. And it's going to go together like butter. I just have a feeling. We'll see. I have high hopes, though.
I do too. I feel like, you know, it could have been worse. It could have been better, of course, but
Well, okay, we're not out of the woods yet.
I know.
We need to make sure that the bolts all go in. This was the problem. As the bolts backed out of the sail drive, they hit the flywheel. And look at every single one is bent. So did they fall all the way out and were tumbled by the flywheel to bend? Or did they come halfway out, hit the flywheel, and then strip the threads? That's what we'll find out this morning. And that's what I'm nervous about. But if they go in fine, we are good. If they don't, we may have to, you know, retap these things. We'll see. We'll know in about an hour.
It feels like there's a higher.
I don't think it needs to be that strong, really. If you kind of look at it.
It doesn't, but I don't want it to be different in any way. And
Right.
this kind of feels like a higher grade steel. Maybe. We cleaned all up around this around the shaft, and that it looks good.
Yeah.
Nice.
That was Lynn. She was in there for half an hour yesterday, just polishing.
Okay. Okay, that one's set. That's good. What's that?
Surprising little amount of torque, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm gonna,
Is that because of the aluminum casting, maybe?
no, you can get a bit higher than this. You can get twice as high as this.
There's a little safety here so we can't drop it. No, back it up, back it up. We went right on the outside.
Yeah.
Get this under there again. Okay, hold it right there. That's pretty close. Let me try to lower mine a little now.
Close.
Good job, Patrick.
What?
Way to He-Man that thing up.
Okay. Oh, there. Got it.
Yeah,
Oh, that felt good.
yeah, I just felt, and when she went in, I was like, hang on a minute, did she?
Okay.
She didn't, did she?
Okay, no need for these.
She so did.
We don't need these.
We don't.
No, everything's like tight.
Again, no ground stroke or anything here.
Yeah, that was nice.
Okay, great. Check the book for the torque for these, yeah?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, man, shoot it.
It's the time we're starting the engines. Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, Lynn, neutral.
Okay, I'm turning the engine over. To neutral now. I guess we can tell once we put it in gear. Oh my gosh, this is so stressful.
Okay, forward.
Forward gear.
Okay, we're going into forward. Forward gear!
Neutral.
Neutral. Neutral. Forward.
How are you tied to the dock? Can you do a little bit of a stern?
Yeah, let me go watch. Okay, Lynn,
Yeah,
we're gonna go reverse, but I'm gonna stand here and watch.
okay, because I can feel us moving forward.
I know, hang on.
Going into reverse?
tell you. You go
I know, I know.
Okay. Okay,
That
go ahead, bring the
sounds
RPMs down. Bring it down to, and then kill the engine. Go ahead. Perfect.
Okay, guys, thank you so much.
Hang on 1 second.
And we actually got a little helper that assisted. Thank you.
It's going to be a couple of runs. What do you say? Well done, Pearly.
Mom, Daddy, I'm coming there tomorrow.
Okay, we can visit again. Sure.
We need to visit tomorrow.
Okay, we're all done. ¿Cómo se llamas?
Adrian.
Gracias, muchas gracias. This is so good. They did such a good job, and it was done actually a day early, so we can now leave. Okay, this was kind of funny because we couldn't figure out the bus system, so Teal went and asked somebody that was working at a nearby restaurant about the buses, and he just points over here, and literally it's like a couple 100 feet from where we were at.
You had so much fun with me. It was around the corner, I didn't see it. Okay, get out here, it's gonna come
Come on,
quick.
that was pretty funny.
Get the coins ready, because when it pulls around this corner, we gotta just clink, clink, clink. Are you filming?
Okay, so it's 12 pesos a person,
Yep.
and they like the correct change.
Well, they're not gonna give us change, so
Well, they'll give you change, they just don't like to make change.
there we go. You got yours?
Yep.
I got mine. Oh, that's not it.
That's not the kind of bus we're getting on.
We want the green bus.
Por la ventana, tal vez hasta está checando en qué lugares que se baja. O eso me imagino en Honduras. No había reto con Aponia, ya se trajo el reto cura. Eso se ve sin duda, hay algo peculiar. El señor trae lentes y los usa de collar. Mientras de este lado ya comienzan a grabar. Yo le sigo con estilo el ritmo a pillar. Adelante, bienvenido, todavía alcanza asientos. Yo sigo con estilo, hacemos.
Hey, so we are now in the Central Market, and we are on the hunt for some good food.
It's everywhere. Come on, let's just stop. I'm starving.
I know, we're all starving.
Gracias.
All right, eat up, my pretties.
This is the first stop of many today. It's all about food today. Ooh, I'm going for the spice.
Carne asada good.
It's bueno. Really good.
Every area in Mexico has their own style of taco. And here in Mazatlán they have the Dorado style. So that means it's crispy on the outside. And it is delicious, okay?
With the engine fixed, the chaps for the dinghy complete, and our stomachs full, it was time to reprovision Basic with supplies. So we went to the Jose Maria Pino Suarez Mercado in the heart of Mazatlán. This marketplace is an experience all by itself. The fruit and vegetable vendors, along with the meat and seafood vendors, selling their products as fresh as can be. It's hard not to go overboard loading up with as much as we could carry, but this was our last chance before we checked out of Mazatlán, so we certainly took advantage of this amazing market.
Is our home for tonight. We are anchored, I don't know why they call it the Stone Island anchorage. There isn't any islands named Stone here. But it is what it is. It's a nice anchorage.
This is my favorite. I just love being anchored out. I get claustrophobic in a marina.
Yeah, I know. It's the air's stagnant there. There seems like there's a lot of bugs. You girls got eaten alive in there.
No, I
What's the final count for you
I
today?
counted a few minutes ago. I have 19 bug bites right now.
Yes, Emma and I are being eaten alive by these mosquitoes, and
they
we
try
have zero willpower because we scratch.
They have a tough time gnawing through my calluses, I guess.
And we're leaving tomorrow, it looks like.
Yeah, we'll be here one night. We'll leave here tomorrow afternoon, about 2 to 3 in the afternoon. It's only 85 miles to Isla Isabela, so we don't want to hit it in the middle of the night. Nice conservative speed should get us there right as the sun comes up.
Yeah, there's actually not much wind. There's a little bit, but it's variable.
Yeah, so we'll take advantage if we can or when we can, and we'll see what happens. You never know. We might have wind the whole way. Everything's kind of fluky around here right now.
And you know my freezer is barren
Don't worry.
of fish.
Don't worry. I'll be catching you some fatties on the way down.
I'm looking for some Dorado.
Dorado or a Wahoo?
Dorado has.
I know.
Yes.
I keep saying that, and I keep getting skunked, but
I know.
that is my goal.
You got this nice new reel and lots of new lures.
And I keep catching those bonitos and the skipjacks on them.
Yeah. We need
I
a
like
little.
bonito.
I know. Bonitos are good. The skipjack,
The skipjack, I gotta get really creative.
you get me real hungry to eat one of those. And we've done it.
Oh.
Okay.
But it's just nice being out here at dusk and there's no bugs, so
I know. It is nice.
I'm taking it in.
I love it.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Shout out to our amazing patrons who make these videos possible. Join the crew if you can. Now that Basic is back together, it's time for this crew to sail further south. We are so excited to explore Isla Isabela. Come back next week to see another awesome new video. See you then!